In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Arc crashing on the PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are having trouble while trying to play Arc on the PlayStation 5, there are multiple solutions to help you address this. So the first thing that I would recommend is that you close down Arc, and from the home screen of the console, press the options button when you highlight the game. This will open up this little side menu where you have a bunch of different options related to Arc. The first thing that I would recommend here is that you check for updates. As simple as this may seem, checking for updates is a wonderful way of getting the most stable release of a game. If old versions were giving people different sorts of crashes, by updating to the latest recommended version, you will get a stabler installation of the game. So try this first, and then you can try joining a world that was giving you issues or crashing and seeing if it works. Alternatively, if you just want to try the other settings that I have to show you in this video, just proceed and first open the PlayStation 5 console settings. Inside of the settings, there will be a bunch of categories and you have to go to users and accounts. In there, select Other at the left side of the menu, and you will then find Restore Licenses. This is a quick process that takes just up to a minute, and you will be able to see and check all of the licenses for everything that is installed on your console. So do this, and you should be able to fix issues with games trying to do this process on the background and potentially crashing themselves while you play. Now, try to see if it works, and if it still doesn't work, the last two things that I have to recommend is first, make sure that you try uninstalling and completely reinstalling the game again. I know for a lot of people, especially those with slow internet speeds, this isn't something that they enjoy doing, but doing a fresh install of any game, including Arc, can help you fix issues attributed to the game crashing or not working properly. The last thing to see is to check if your PlayStation 5 is overheating. If it is in an enclosed area where it isn't receiving a lot of fresh air, or if you put your hand near it and you notice that it is way too hot, the console could be overheating. And in order to not overheat and damage itself, it force crashes anything or any applications that are running on the console in the time that it overheats. Seeing as how Arc is a very intensive game, it could be pushing your PlayStation 5 to a really big limit. So if you notice that it is overheating, I recommend that you take it to a repair shop to have the thermal paste changed or the insides cleaned if you are not familiar with this process, which isn't something that I can quickly go over in a video like this. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Arc crashing on PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.